Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix graphics card not detected in Windows. If you're having a problem with your graphics card, and here's a way you can try to solve it out. Just go on your Windows icon, right click, go under Device Manager. And here, you need to spot the graphics driver you have. Just go under Display Adapters, and under here, I'll give you this one for an example. Right click on it, and then click on Update Driver. And here you can click on Browse My Computer for drivers. And you want to pick from your list, click on this one. And here you can select the previous working driver that you had, and it will automatically install the driver. Restart your computer to see if it works. And if you're still having troubles, the thing you can have to do is to go to your browser and you'll have to install it. So if you're using a NVIDIA graphics card, just go under NVIDIA.com, go under drivers, and here you have to put your specific graphics card and click on find and download and install the needed driver. And if you're using Intel, go to this website. Under drivers, under support, you'll find drivers. Download and install Intel driver and support assistant. It'll help you update your graphics driver. And if you're using AMD, you can go to this website, AMD under drivers, under support and drivers as well. And you can download and auto detect install driver updates for AMD. Download and install it. Download the recent driver of your AMD. And that's how you do it. You're done.